Hi all. Today we'll discuss about all the things which need to be prepared for the interview for the freshers and experience. So mostly we will consider what all are the things we need to prepare and where to learn the code, interview questions and all for the freshers. So there will be have a multiple websites where we'll have all the interview questions, practice of objective questions and things need to be prepared for the topic wise and even some of the technology related things where that have to learn. So freshers have a doubt like where to go to prepare this Java interview questions or any type of interview questions and all. So these all are the website where we have to go for this and learn. So first is W3 Web School. So w3schools.com. Here we have a multiple technologies are there that we can go through that. Suppose if you want to learn the Java, so in that you can click on the Java and then all the basic concept for the Java related topic wise topic also there. Even you can start learning on this step by step for this. So there are multiple technologies are there like Java, Python, SQL, and if you are from React and Angulars, Node, so these things are there which you have to go. Some of the Postgres, MongoDB, Git, and TypeScripts, AWS. So also there. So many all are the basics things are there. So freshers can go through this uh, website where they can learn all those things related for SQL, related for Java, related for Python, related for. And also suppose if you want to do some basic certifications after learning this technology, then here we have a multiple certificates are there. So once you'll do this practice and then you'll do the test and all, then you will get some certified course certifications also here. So these all are the certificates are there. The here these are the services are there like exercise where we have to do the exercise. Once you learn this any of the topic like React, SQL, Java and all, then you can do the cues from yourself. So some exercise will be there that you have to practice so that you can crack any of the freshers related interview where they can ask or they may ask related for this objective questions and all. So this is the way where we can go, and these all are the services will be there like free tutorials, create a website, so that we can go we can go later. But here is a certifications is the main thing, exercise where we can do the cues and all, and tutorials where we can do all the tutorials like based on this. So this is the W3 is a very important website which you have to learn like freshers can follow this and then do the practice for all the technology whatever he want to looking for the job change and trying to switch any company or start a career for this. Others is a study tonight. So there's a study tonight also have a multiple latest technology related things is available, all the contents. Here we have a many, suppose if you will go for the Java, so we have a multiple Java MCQ examples, compilers. So through that they you can go for one by one or step by step particular method, particular class, particular any topics and all, so that you can prepare and then start working on that. So we have a Java 8 is there, and others many things are there, Docker, Kubernetes and all. So this is the main things in a study tonight. Here C, Goal and others are there. So depends on the requirement you can go, and so these all are the library. Here you can do some test and all. So and it's a very very good important site for this freshers, so that you can go and learn for this new technology, objective questions, compiler and test related things will be there. Now many of the interviewers will ask, instead of technical interview, they the first round they can ask some of the reasoning questions or some of the puzzles related questions and all. So in that cases aptitude questions depends on the requirement. Some of the cases they can ask aptitude questions and all. So India Wix is a very very important site where you can prepare for all type of interview questions. Either the first round have a aptitude questions, then we have a arithmetical and others many aptitude questions examples are there. If they have reasoning questions, that they can you can go through this all and do the practice. And if you have some technical multiple choice of questions or programmatical questions which will be there, then here you can go for this depends on the depends on the engineering and aptitude questions and all. Technical MCQ, we have a different type of there, like Java, Spring Boot, microservices, or any type of technical MCQ is there. And if you want to go for the programming questions, so we have this type of programming questions will be there, that will be considered. And some of the interviewer will ask a puzzle type of questions like Sudoku, numbers puzzles, missing letters and all. So that cases you can prepare this puzzle. So mostly freshers can consider here the 2 3 modules like puzzles, technical MCQ, programming interview, and online test, and general aptitude, reasoning and all. So in interview, we'll have a placement papers also will be there, depends on the different company, we have a placement paper. So either if you are going for the HCL or IBM, Infosys, TCS and all, so for that we have a multiple placement papers will be there, that you can see and then check the proper questions where they ask what type of questions they are asking for the freshers and all. So these type of MDocs interview questions and all, like that we have a multiple MNCs interview questions will be there. Placement papers, group discussions, HR interview questions. So suppose if you have qualified all the round, now you are preparing for the HR interview questions. In that cases you have multiple common basics HR interview questions for the freshers and experience, though, so that this is the experienced peoples and this is the fresher people, so that you can prepare for that. So what type of, tell me about yourself, why should I hire you, what is your strength, weakness and all. So these type of things you have to prepare from here also, by self also. So this is the India weeks where we have multiple things are there. Either you can prepare for the technical, either you can prepare for the reasoning, aptitude and all, either you can prepare for the technical MCQ, programming, and puzzles and all. And if you are preparing for this HR interview question, that also will be there. So here is a very important uh, things are there. Even you can do the some online test also here. So online test will be there, depends on the technology and requirement, you can do this. So first is W3, other is Java study tonight, and then we have India Wix. So these three site you can follow to prepare your interview. As a freshers you can follow, this is these three site. This is the very important site. If you will follow these three sites, then you can crack any type of interview based on that, because every interview format or question papers and all will be there in this India Wix also. So you can download and see this. Now we'll go for this some of the practice which you have to follow from the portals like Hacker Earth, and Lead Code. So these all are the where we can practice the code. So suppose if you are trying to go for this product based company or big MNC company, so most of the company they will ask some of the scenario and logical questions, which will be have a programmatical questions. So for that practice, you need to do some HackerRank examples, or Hacker Earth, or Lead Code. So Lead Code is a platform where we can practice all the code, so that you have to create an account, and then there will be have multiples examples will be there based on the technology, so that you can practice from that. So mostly the product based company or big MNC will be asked the questions from this type of platforms only. So either you can follow any of them, or if you want to follow all these three website will be there: HackerRank, Hacker Earth, and then Lead Code. And if you are preparing for the freshers, W3, Java study tonight, and then India Weeks. So these three is only you have to prepare for the interview, technical, MCQ, aptitude, and all, programmaticals, certifications, and all. So these things is there. These three you have to follow for the preparing for the interview. And just if you want to go for the big MNCs, product based and all, in that cases you have to follow these code patterns where this there you can practice and all. And some of the sites which will be discussed related for the experience, if you are experienced, then we can go for these all. But this is the mediums where we have all those doubts, so you can clarify. Suppose if you have any doubt related for any type of topic, either freshers or any experience, then here you can search this particular topic. In mediums we have many things will be there, so you will get all those answers and all. Like suppose if you have unit testings or test automations or any type of things, there you have to go for that, and then just you have to search, then you will get a proper answer instead of searching on Google and all. Best better you can go here. So many of the developers will be registered here, and they will give proper answers here. So just try to search in Medium if you are looking any questions, any topics and all, or if you want to post, you can post here also. Now we'll go for this interview related experience portals, like where experience should prepare the interview questions. So this is the tutorials part, which will be considered for the freshers only. So this is the freshers. If you want some tutorials related for particular new technology or any of others, if you are not aware or not familiar with this W3 or India Wix, instead of that you can go for the tutorials point also. So tutorials points also will have a many, all the tools, all the certifications and all will be there. So these things will be there.